For this operation, you will need a jack, a 17mm socket for the wheel, a 8 and a 10mm socket for the fender liner. First, you need to remove the wheel. I leave you here a video about wheel removal. Using the 8mm socket, you can remove the fender liner screws. Remove the upper bolt using the 10mm socket. Now you can pull the liner out. Remove the small hose from the pump you want to replace. Now remove the pump, pull up and slide out. Remove the plug by pressing the upper safety pin. Now you can install the new pump. Insert the plug first and then insert the pump into the grommet. Put back the hose. Now you can put back the fender liner and install all the bolts. Now you can put back the wheel like I showed you in the tutorial from the start. This was my video. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you. Thank you.